morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is Thursday over here for me and I believe Monday for you, so happy Monday. I don't know if I'm gonna remember to do this all the time, but I do want to try to keep up our tradition of on Mondays I'm going to ask you guys what's your goal for your week, and you can comment it down below. Also, if you don't really have a goal that you want to share, feel free to share something that you're looking forward to for the week, or you know, just something to get us feeling positive on a Monday because it's so hard. But it is Thursday for me over here, so I can't complain too much, especially because it is a long weekend this weekend. Connor's off from work tomorrow, so I may have to do a little bit of work tomorrow, but for the most part I'm going to try to take the day off, which will be really nice. Honestly, you guys, I've been waking up in such a good mood lately, and I think it's all because of the beautiful weather that we're having in Santa Monica this week. It has just been beautiful and warm every single day, and nothing puts me in a better mood than having wonderful warm weather. I'm already like dreading June coming and June gloom just like ruining my life. But I'm fully trying to take advantage of and soak up any time that I have in this beautiful warm weather. When I got coffee this morning, I have like one more chai pot and I think Connor's out, so I need to order more of those for us the next time we go grocery shopping. But picked up coffee, just got a vanilla latte, very basic. Tara did send me this Starbucks drink that she said is like the best drink that she's ever had, and she may never ever switch up her drink again, which I was like, whoa, because she switches up her drink sort of often. So I definitely need to try that, if not today then over this weekend, probably over this weekend, but we'll see if I feel like walking to Starbucks. It's just there's not a Starbucks super nearby to me anymore. It's not that far, but it's not that close either. So I really have not been getting Starbucks since we moved here very often. But I need to try this drink. And it's made with black iced tea, which is like my go-to drink, but she made it like creamy. She adds like sweet cream and other stuff in there. Anyway, I feel like I'm just ranting because I'm in a good mood, in the mood to chit chat and hang out. But got some packages here. Don't remember what I ordered. It was stuff that like took a while to get here, so. Oh yeah, I think it's like all boring stuff, unfortunately. First up, just some Clorox stain remover for our laundry. This was very convenient when we had like an incident with the couch cushions where there was a stain on them. It like, I think really saved the day. So I wanted to make sure that we had it on hand for normal stains, but also just in case anything ever happens to our couch, because this is like protect at all costs for us. Oh, I did get one fun thing that I'm very excited for. Let's see what this is. Okay, yeah. So this is just like a refill of our Clorox toilet wand. If you guys do not have a Clorox toilet wand yet and you're still using one of those like old school toilet scrubbers, like you need to update, because I'm not kidding, these make such a difference. They just like switch out every time, so you don't have like a gross thing that's been like scrubbing your toilet for years. So you get a fresh one every time. It releases like cleaning stuff into it. It's just so good. Highly recommend.
What'd you get?
Clorox stain remover, just in case anything ever happens to the couch again. And Clorox cleaning wand refills.
Very exciting.
So exciting.
What a haul.
And then a very exciting thing, although I'm laughing at this box, it says wet kiss.
Ew.
I know. But I ordered a new pair of shoes, which I'm very excited about. I did this, well, I didn't think that was the brand, but who knows, because it's just from Amazon. I was pretty drunk when I ordered these. We were at a winery.
You ordered these at the winery?
Yeah. Remember I asked you and Garrett about them? You thought that they were cute?
Oh yeah.
These little like square-toed sandals with a cute little like braided detail little heel on them. They're pretty easy to walk in, actually. I was worried that they might be hard to walk in because there's not like a whole lot of support, but they're pretty good. Okay, let me show you what they look like. Just a cute little flip-flop. Very simple. They actually feel like, I'm sure they'll be uncomfortable in the heel way. Like, I'm sure the balls of my feet will hurt. But I was worried that the strap would like hurt too. And I think it's very soft. Feels very nice. I like them. I think they're pretty cute. What do you think, babe?
Ooh.
Cute?
Oh, I like them.
Thanks.
Is the strap comfy?
Yeah, it's surprisingly comfy. That's what I was just saying.
Oh, nice. Good.
I will say, like, look, this whole thing is like coming up here already. So you get what you pay for from Wet Kiss here. But that was not bothering me when I was walking, but it's just something to note that like it's not totally sealed down. All right, I just want to do something about my hair to help these ends get a little curlier. I washed my hair last night, put the Way curl cream in, and I did that like straight out of the shower while my hair was really wet. I like rake the product through and then like scrunch my hair up. But obviously these front parts are still straightened, so they do not scrunch, but it does like a nice little curl pattern to my hair that is grown out. Like, I'm very into this. That's good. Anyway, I've been wanting to try a new little hairstyle. So what I'm gonna do is just go like I'm sort of French braiding my hair the way that I do. But I'm not gonna go all the way back. So it'll just sort of be the front here, and then I'll just like clip it off in the back or tie it off, or I don't know exactly what yet. And that way it sort of curls this hair and it'll be a cute little hairstyle, but all of this hair gets to stay natural without getting braided and like the braid messing with the curl pattern, because I'm trying to just like embrace my natural curl pattern. Okay, so like ideally I would stop sort of there, and none of my straight hair is braided. Yeah, but that will be a cute little hairstyle, right? Pulled back like that with a little braid. I should probably Dutch braid it so that it like sticks up a little higher. Oh well. So I'm just braiding this like a normal braid, but I'm sort of pulling back because I am gonna put it back. I want to make sure the hair will move back that way in a natural pattern. This and this. I'm gonna pull them back here. Little clip. And that's just a cute little hairstyle, but also it's curling those parts of my hair. Now, the other thing I want to do is clean up, like some of these pieces are so much longer than other pieces on my hair, just because we cut it wet, and when it dries, obviously every piece dries a little different because curly hair things. Just a few little pieces, but I want to clean them up a little. Finding a place for my camera in this bathroom is very hard. Actually, it's sort of annoying. So it's just like a few little pieces, sort of like in the back here, like this. That is very long. Gave it a little snip. I feel like there was some over here too. This little piece. Maybe this piece too. Seemed a little long. And I feel like these are a little long too. Might as well get some more of that straight hair off. Okay, I think that's good. Look at this little cat. What are you doing back there? All right, we're having lunch outside today. Having a turkey sandwich with goldfish. So I am back to 6th grade. But got to take advantage of this beautiful day. Molly Cat wanted to come outside for a little bit. But it actually looks sort of like gray. Guys, as soon as I came outside and sat down, it got so cloudy. Remember I was showing you those clouds rolling in? Very strange, I don't know. I see blue skies over there, so hopefully those will continue in, but it seriously dropped like 10 degrees in 15 minutes, and I know this sounds crazy, but it's true. It's like 82 degrees, and then I just looked a second ago and it was 72. Getting cold fast, so maybe this is not a beach day, which is fine. I'm glad that I made it out of the house yesterday and took advantage. Tara and I were also discussing playing Catan tonight, so that may happen, which would be so fun. I am very down. Time to get back to work. I have to edit a video and some other stuff. I probably have another like 2 or 3 hours of work to do, so going to just clean up out here. Connor had to just hop on a call, so I told him I would clean up, and then back to work we go. I was literally just looking everywhere for my camera and could not find it. And then I was like, oh my God, I left it outside, and like was so scared that it had fallen down or gotten taken by someone. Whew, close call. Okay, we are back inside. We have another glass of rosé. Molly is running around crazy in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear that. But we pulled out this cheese board that I picked up yesterday. If you missed that vlog, I just stopped by Foreman, got this cheese board. So very excited about it.
Little sweetie.
Yeah, a little surprise for Connor that I picked up.
So nice. Having a tough week, so appreciate it.
Nothing makes a week better than cheese. And the owner was super Italian and basically picked out all of these cheeses for me, including this one called Dutch Girl, which is me. So I love that.
Yeah.
And we're about to call Tara and get our Catan on, which I'm very excited about. I have some like redemption to find.
Yeah, you gotta get some W's on the board.
I know. I have been losing for a long time, so I need to.
You were on a good streak for a bit.
I was, yeah, but I think that's just how it goes.
I agree.
Tara's on a winning streak, so we definitely have to like take her out. Yeah. But I don't trust you either. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone.
As long as the smell of collusion stays out of the air, I'm okay.
Okay, sure. Collusion.
Yeah. J'accuse.
Okay, on with Tara now, and look at what she's wearing. We're matching. I love it.
Obvious.
It's so cute. It's actually surprisingly comfy. Like, I was very pleased when I got my sample.
It's very comfy. Like, this is so soft on the inside. It's like it's a shirt you live in.
Yeah,
you know?
and I do. And we're gonna take a shot naturally because we're about to play Catan, and that is what we do. Oh, I love it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh God, Wait, let's take this shot quickly.
Yes, good call.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, you ladies can just like.
I know, we'll just go on forever. That's why I was like, let's just get this down. Ugh, give me some goldfish.